We hear it all the time. Trading is mainly just psychology based. It's based upon how much discipline you really have. How persistent can you be even through the losses? How patient can you be waiting for the higher time frame setups? Waiting for an area of support or resistance to be formed within the same congruent area, or wait for a breakout to happen at those levels. How much discipline you have will determine your success within this life. Whether that's trading, business, school, a job, even our relationship with God. Our discipline can almost controls our life completely. And it's up to us to make sure that we have systematic systems in place to make sure that we can progress within any endeavor. Now, how do we improve this thing called discipline? Let's start off by talking about what discipline is. Discipline is the ability to do something even if you don't want to do it. It's your ability to do something regardless of emotional or external factors. That's discipline. Working out, for example. If you get up and you challenge yourself and you say you're going to work out Monday through Friday, no matter if you're sore Tuesday, no matter if you feel sick on Thursday, no matter if the gym opens an hour early on Friday or late, regardless of anything, you still go because you said you were going to go to the gym Monday through Friday. Not, oh, I'm going to go to the gym Monday through Friday, but if something happens during the week, I'm not going to go. No. Discipline means doing it regardless of any external factors or emotions. And you have to build this up as a human being in order to succeed. My apologies for the interruption there. Had a call. But look, we have to make sure that our discipline's in place. Now, how do we improve our discipline when it comes to trading? Let's talk about some things. Higher time frames. When you guys are on the 1 minute chart and you're on the 5 minute chart, and that's all you're looking at, you haven't done any higher time frame analysis prior, your discipline is going to be skewed. Because as humans, especially if you grew up playing the game or something like that, it can be very addicting, especially within trading, like futures or something like that, where you can just buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, and make very instantaneous decisions. And these decisions might not be the best. And when you have a bunch of candlesticks, tiny little candlesticks on your screen, doing a bunch of fluctuations, it's going to be kind of hard to not put your hands on the mouse to click buy or sell, right? So I advise you guys to really stick to the higher time frames. Stick to higher time frames, guys. Because when you guys start seeing less price action on your candlesticks, you're going to be realizing, okay, this is really just a patience game, and I'm just going to be waiting for my candle rage theory or my wicks to be broken within a directional basis, or create a congruent area of support or resistance and create a reversal setup from that place, right? So boom. Your discipline will improve the more you guys look at the higher time frame candlesticks, okay? You guys don't need to go lower than the 1 hour candlestick. And that's my personal opinion, what I personally believe in. I don't think you guys need to go lower than the 1 hour. The 1 hour will show you pretty much everything you need when it comes to the smaller time frames. You can find shorter take profits and stuff like that, etc. But I really advise you guys to stay off of the minute time frames, please. Because your decision making and your instantaneous human desire to press buttons and to get in and to get out and to try to make some money is going to be overpowered, especially when you have a bunch of candlesticks on your chart. But when you guys just see one big higher time frame candlestick, you're going to be realizing, okay, the zones are all the way up here. I'm just going to wait. Instead of trying to create setups within my head and be like, and try to make up setups and catch micro scalps. Because in the long run, that's not going to be profitable. And that's not what the risk reward ratio you're going to need in order to actually pay your bills, get cars, and reach the type of success that you're trying to get to. Okay? Boom. So, number 2. Risk to reward. You have to be extremely disciplined when it comes to risk to reward and your risk management. Measure out your risk to reward ratio. Every single trade that you take. Measure out your take profit. Be like, okay, I'm expecting to make double my risk here. So if I'm risking $100, I should be at least trying to make $200 to $300 minimum. Minimum. This way, if I lose again, I can offset the trades because of the win I just had, right? So this way, you guys are still going to be able to remain profitable. And I'm so sorry about the noise. That is crazy. But yeah, so you're going to be able to remain profitable regardless of anything, okay? As long as you stick to your risk-reward ratio. Risk management. Don't get undisciplined and start oversizing. Just because you catch a couple wins, I don't care if you're on a 5-trade win streak. Stick to your risk management, because I promise you, the moment you start breaking that, the moment your discipline falls, the moment that you think that you start trading with an ego, the moment that you start thinking with arrogance and trading with arrogance, is the moment I promise God can take everything away from you. And you do not want to go through that, because I promise you, coming back from that mental journey after losing it all is a lot more difficult versus just taking the loss from the calculated risk that you set. Take your little loss, boom, who cares? Say you lose again, who cares? Say you win a 1 to 3, boom, now you're back in profit. You made both of those losses back and you made some money off of just one trade. Say you win another 1 to 3, boom, now you're back up again. It's just like that, okay? Stick to your risk management. Don't get overzealous. Don't get cocky. Don't get arrogant. Don't get impatient, okay? Wait. The more that you stay consistent, the more that you pray, the more that you grind, so you can put more capital into your account. Whether being you can get a second job, start some business, do something, whatever you know how to do. Okay? And you throw that into your account. Now you guys can start just compounding that when you have your discipline systems in place. Start working out. If you don't work out, you need to. There's too much stuff in the foods. There's too much stuff in the air. We need to make sure our body is at least releasing oxygen, we're sweating, and our body can at least regenerate, and that can be done via exercise, okay? Exercise is fantastic. I love exercising. I love working out. I feel great, and I'm very grateful, and I thank God that I'm able to do it almost every day, okay? Start making your bed. When you wake up, before market opens, should be up way before market opens anyways, make your bed, okay? Make your bed. Okay, when you start doing that, you start getting into the habits, it's going to be easy for you to put systems in place within your normal life. You're going to be like, okay, if I already make my bed and I already work out consistently, catching the setup or waiting for the setup isn't going to be anything, because I'm already disciplined in real life. You see? All right, so that's what matters. I'm going to catch y'all on the next one. I love y'all so much. I got the hiccups right now, but blam. Peace.